If your AutoCAD viewport settings are off, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore them quickly and correctly. This is a simple but very useful fix if your layout viewport is zoomed in too far, showing the wrong area, or just not displaying the view the way you want. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to reset the viewport view, adjust the scale, and lock it again so your layout stays clean and professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and go to the drawing where you want to fix the viewport. Now switch over to a Layout tab because viewport controls are managed in paper space, not model space. Once you're on the layout, find the viewport you want to restore. To begin working inside it, double-click directly inside the viewport. This activates the viewport and lets you work with the model view inside it. Now that the viewport is active, type Z on your keyboard and press Enter. That starts the zoom command. Next, type E and press Enter. This stands for Zoom Extents, and it will show everything in the viewport as clearly as possible. If the view was misplaced, clipped, or zoomed too far, this is often the fastest way to bring it back to a usable state. After that, click once on the viewport boundary to select the viewport frame itself. This is important because now you're editing the viewport settings, not the drawing inside it. With the viewport selected, press Ctrl+1 to open the Properties palette. In Properties, look for the standard scale setting. Here, you can set the viewport scale to the value you need, such as 1:100, 1:50, or whatever matches your layout requirements. If you still need to make view adjustments, find the Display Locked option and set it to No. Unlocking the viewport gives you the freedom to pan or fine-tune the view without the scale staying fixed during adjustment. Make whatever changes you need, and once the view looks correct, set Display Locked back to Yes. Locking the viewport is a great habit because it prevents accidental movement or zoom changes later on. At this point, your viewport settings should be restored properly. You've activated the viewport, zoomed to extents, set the correct standard scale, made any needed adjustments, and locked the view again to protect it. That means your layout is now ready for plotting or presenting. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more AutoCAD tips, and check out the next tutorial for more quick fixes and workflow shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.